Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to Gradeup. Good afternoon to all of you, those who are preparing for CLAT, ALIT, Symbiosis, and other law entrance examination. I wish you a very, very good afternoon. My name is Surajit Bhaduri, and I am going to take this session on legal reasoning. Myself is Surajit, and I'm going to take in this session a very, very important class where we are going to discuss legal reasoning questions. As you know, CLAT has changed its pattern. As you guys are all aware of the fact that CLAT has changed its pattern, and from 2020 onwards, you are going to get a passage-based question. Earlier, friends, you used to get a principle fact questions. So there used to be a principle, there used to be a set of facts, and thereafter there would be some questions, and thereafter options would be given. But from now onwards, you will get a passage, okay, a passage of around 450 words. Now, you have to read this passage very, very carefully. Inside the passage, there will be facts, there will be principles of law. You have to understand the facts, the principle of law, what is given in the passage, and thereafter answer the questions. These will all be multiple choice question, friends. Am I clear, friends? So today we are going to discuss passage-based questions. Before we start, I would request all of you and ask all of you to like the session, and share it with your friends, and definitely click on the bell icon so that you do not miss on the notification. Am I clear, friends? So do like the session and start. So this is a passage which the CLAT consortium has released as sample paper 3 on 16th of April 2020. So our discussion for the day will be we have to solve 5 legal reasoning questions which CLAT themselves has released in their sample paper 3 on 16th of April 2020. Am I clear? So without wasting time, let's go ahead and read the passage. Let's go ahead and read the passage. I will give you exactly 120 seconds, 2 minutes to read the entire passage. Okay? Please read this passage very, very carefully. Read the passage very, very carefully, friends. The passage involves a legislation which bans e-cigarettes. The passage involves a legislation which the Union Parliament had passed in the year 2019, which makes it an offence to advertise, to sell, to import, to manufacture, to distribute e-cigarettes in India. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Okay. Read the passage very, very carefully. very, very important. I am highlighting certain parts which are very, very important. Okay. Fantastic. A lot of people have already read the first slide. Okay. So I move on to the next slide. Please read the passage very, very carefully. Read the passage very, very carefully. Am I clear? Read the passage very, very carefully, friends. I have highlighted certain things that are very, very important for you. Okay? Okay? Okay. So most of you are done reading with the passage. Most of you are done reading with the passage. Okay? If it is buffering, friends, why don't you decrease the resolution? If you decrease the resolution, then everything will be perfect. Everything will be perfect if you just decrease the resolution. There will be no buffering. Question number 1. Did Khalifa obey the law with respect to the new stock of e-cigarettes that arrived on September 25th, 2019? Did he violate the law or did he not violate the law? Of course, he did violate the law. So option A and option B is out of the question. Now let's come to option C and option D. Option C says no, he did not deposit it at the office of the authorized police. Of course, he did deposit it with the police who happened to be his neighbor. But this police was not authorized. He was not authorized. Of course, he did. The fact says he did deposit the e-cigarettes with his neighbor who happens to be a police officer. But did he deposit with the authorized person under the law? No. So C is the correct answer. Let's come to D. No, he deposited the stock after 7 days after the law came into force. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So the correct answer is option C. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Am I clear? He did deposit it with a police, but that police was not the authorized person. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Okay, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Let's go ahead. Question number 2. Question number 2. Did Khalifa violate the law by giving away e-cigarettes to Shanti? Did he violate the law? Yes or no? Yes, he did. Am I clear? He did violate the law. He did violate the law. The option A says no, it cannot be the right answer. Option B says no, it cannot be the right answer. Option C says no, it cannot be the right answer. So option D, without reading this part, without even reading this part, you know that D is the right answer. Did you know? Now this is called by way of eliminating wrong answers. By way of eliminating wrong answers, you can come to the right answer. Am I clear? Did you understand? This is called deductive reasoning. How do you deduce from the passage some questions that are given to you? The question is whether Khali procuring or storing e-cigarettes. Am I clear? Am I clear? Okay. So before moving to the third question, I would ask all of you to like the session, and share it with your friends. Do like the session and share it with your friends. Am I clear? You can share and like the session. It's very, very important so that this video reaches to more people who are preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Am I clear? Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Read the question very carefully. The question is whether Shanti violated the law on e-cigarettes by using them. The question is whether Shanti violated the law on e-cigarettes by using them. Am I clear? Okay, let's come to the question. Yes, she did not surrender them at the nearest office. Yes, she conspired with Khalifa to violate the law on e-cigarettes. No, the law does not ban personal use of cigarettes. No, she was using it for a medical purpose to get off cigarettes. This is wrong. She did not surrender them to the nearest office of an authorized police officer. Does the passage, my question is, does the passage anywhere says that there is a ban on using e-cigarettes for personal use? Nowhere in the passage, the passage does not anywhere talks about the fact that the law will be violated if a person use them for his personal benefit. Am I clear? See, just you have to read the facts. Does the fact anywhere say, I'll just go to the facts. Which part of the fact says that a person cannot consume e-cigarettes for his personal consumption? Of course, the real legislation absolutely says that personal use of e-cigarettes is illegal. Of course, the real law says that personal use is illegal. But where in the passage does this passage talks about that if a person who uses e-cigarettes for his personal use will also be punished. Where in the passage? Where in the passage? Does the passage talks about that? No. So option A and B is over. The correct answer is C. Am I clear? The law does not ban personal use of the passage of the cigarettes. Of course, the real law does. The real law does. But the passage does not talk about that. You have to stick to the passage. Am I clear? You have to just stick to the passage. Am I clear? Did you understand? Am I clear? Did you understand what I am saying? Did you understand? How many of you got this question correct? How many of you got the answer to this question correct? And how many of you got it wrong? How many of you got it correct and how many of you got it wrong? See, the fact does not talk about conspiracy. Someone says, why is option number 2 not correct? She never conspired. Where does the passage say that Khalifa conspired with Shanti? Does the passage say that Khalifa conspired with Shanti? No. Hence, option B is also not the right answer. Am I clear? Am I clear? So a lot of people got it wrong. These are the kind of questions you will be asked, friends. These are the kind of questions. Do not assume facts. Do not assume law. Just stick to the passage. Just stick to the passage. Am I clear? Question number 4. Question number 4. Answer this question. Answer this question, friends. The question is Khalifa stocking of the product double barrel, is it legal or is it illegal? Now, what is a double barrel? Okay, there is some people are saying B, some people are saying A, some people are saying C. Okay, let me go to, okay, the question is Khalifa stocking of product of double barrel legal or illegal? Let's go to the passage. Okay, read the passage. Read this part of the passage, the last part of the passage. Read this part. Even after the law came into force, this part of the passage, this part. Even after the law came into force, Khalifa continued to stock a product in his shop known as Double Barrel for sale, which has a chamber that converts nicotine juice into arsenal forms like e-cigarette and a pipe to smoke loose tobacco. Is it legal? Is it illegal? Am I clear? Now let's come to question number 4. What is your answer? Is it legal or is it illegal? It is not legal. So option B is over. Option D is wrong. Let's come to A. No, it contains the functionality of an e-cigarette. Absolutely correct. No, after September 18, all forms of tobacco delivery system are banned. How does it matter? It is irrelevant. This option, although it says no, but this part, the reason given to option C is irrational, irrelevant, whereas the reason after no in A is absolutely correct. Am I clear? Did you understand? See, both A and C are correct because it says no, it is illegal. But the reason given to option A is better option, and option C, the reason given that after September 18, 2019, all forms of tobacco delivered system are banned, it is irrelevant. It is irrelevant. Am I clear? So the correct answer is option A. Am I clear? Did you understand what I'm saying? Am I clear? A is the right answer. C is incorrect because of the reason. This reason is wrong. This reason is wrong. Whereas the reason over here is correct. The reason, okay, I'll just tell you this. Both A and C might be correct. Let's see which one is better. The question is Khalifa stocking the product of double barrel legal? The answer is no, it is not legal. No, because it contains functionality of e-cigarettes, or whether after September 18, 2019, all forms of tobacco delivery system are banned. Tobacco delivery system. How is it relevant? The option A is a better answer than option C. Option A is a better answer than option C. Although both A and C might be correct, but option A is directly related to the question. Am I clear? And hence the correct answer is A. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Am I clear? Okay. Question number 5. Read the question very carefully. Yes. Now this Vapify, this product called Vapify is a device that can convert a substance into aerosol from the inhalation through heating. Am I clear? So there is a electronic device which can convert as a thing into something else by heating. Now the passage talks about the fact that even if that device is there, that device itself is illegal. The law says, the passage says that even if that thing is, even if it is for medical purpose, for whatever purpose, the passage does not talk about medical purpose or not medical purpose. The passage says even if there is a device that can convert some liquid into some gas for heating, for inhalation, that is itself illegal. So what is the correct answer? Is he guilty of violating the law? Yes. This cannot be. No, no, no. What is the correct answer? D. since Vaporfly can be used to perform the function of a e-cigarette. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? The answer is option D. Am I clear? Did you understand? Did you understand what I am saying? Okay. Okay. Did you understand? Crystal clear? Very good. Very good. Very good. So you are understanding what I am trying to say, right? You understood what I am trying to say, right? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Friends, we at Gradeup has come up with a crash course called Target Law 2020, which would help you in scoring better in CLAT and other law entrance examination. So we at Gradeup has come up with a Target Law 2020, a Scoreup course, which is a crash course of 40 days. This course is going to help students to score better in this competitive exam. This course will consist of 100 plus live classes. We have already started with those classes. Okay? Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? We have already started with the live classes in the course, which will consist of 100 plus live classes, quizzes, practice questions, mock tests, topic-wise quizzes and PDFs for revision, and a full coverage of current affairs and legal knowledge. We have in our course important amendments, important judgments, and the passage that you read today is also a part of our course. We are discussing important judgments. We are discussing important legislations. So these will help you in scoring better. Am I clear? Am I clear? Okay. This up next on your screen is the CLAT YouTube schedule. Up next on your screen is the YouTube schedule. Every day at 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock, I will be taking legal reasoning classes and general awareness classes. Am I clear? At 2 o'clock from Monday to Friday, I will be taking legal reasoning classes and general awareness classes. Am I clear? And very soon in the course, we will have doubt clarification classes. Since a lot of people have some amount of doubts in the course, we also will have extra classes to solve your doubts. Am I clear? But that is only for the course. Am I clear? Please do like the session. Do subscribe to this YouTube CLAT channel of Gradeup, and definitely press the bell icon so that you do not miss on the notification for all our new videos. Hope you have thoroughly enjoyed today's class. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Make sure that you like the session and you share it amongst your friends so that people during this lockdown can avail the benefit of these free classes. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.